Question I get all the time is about mortgage interest rates. Like, how are they determined? How does the bank decide, other than the fact that they want to make billions of dollars in profit, how much they're going to charge on a mortgage for interest? Well, the interest rates are priced a couple different ways. One is the Bank of Canada every 6 weeks or so will do an announcement, and that's when they'll change the interest rates if they're going to change them. And variable rate mortgages move pretty much simultaneously with that announcement. Now, there's a bit of a profit that the bank wants to make, so they'll take whatever the Bank of Canada rate is, add their profit on it, and that's what you'll pay for a variable rate. But once that is set, it's set and it goes up and down with the Bank of Canada. Now, depending on which bank you go to, they want different amounts of profit. So a variable rate can change depending on which bank you go to. That's how that works. Fixed rate mortgages are, I find, much more intriguing. I'll tell you why, is because they're tied to the bond market. So the bond market is trying to predict the future. They're constantly trying to figure out what's going to happen next. And they price bond yields based on what they think is going to happen down the road. So if they think the economy is going to tank, they'll bring rates down. If they think that the economy is going to take off, they'll bring rates up. But they're trying to predict, and it's the bond market that sets a fixed rate mortgage. So currently, for example, bond rates are coming down. So fixed rates are coming down. We also expect variable rates to come down because the government's talking about lowering their Bank of Canada and the Fed rate. That's how they're set. Variable rates set on the Bank of Canada's, whatever term they have, resets about every 6 weeks. Fixed rates, that's the bond market. It's constantly moving. They're constantly trying to guess the future. You need to reach out to a mortgage broker to get more thorough sort of understanding, and give you a better feel for which way to go.